we are looking at how to pronounce these combination of letters when you have a T right after a P in English. So obviously you have to start with the P sound, as in pasta, popular, potato, and immediately after pronounce the T sound, as in total, turtle, toss. So pt, 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 pt. Let's have a look at a few examples of words containing pt. Kept, the past tense of keep, kept, kept. Adopt, adopt, pt. Can you hear that pt sound, pt sound? Adopt. Transcript, transcript. Now there are quite a few words and names as well that have pt at the beginning of the word. Often the P there is essentially silent. This is a mathematician, and it's said from history, and it said Ptolemy, Ptolemy. Just skip the P entirely. This is a dinosaur. Pterodactyl, pterodactyl. You can hear that there's no P there sound at all. Kept, PT. This is how you pronounce PT in English. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.